Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now today I'm going to discuss a topic named ciliary ganglion. Firstly, let's start. Introduction. It is a peripheral parasympathetic ganglion and location present between lateral rectus muscle and optic nerve, placed in the course of oculomotor nerve near the apex of the orbit. The roots of ciliary ganglion. It has three roots: sensory root, parasympathetic root, also known as motor root, and sympathetic root. See, this is sensory root, parasympathetic root, sympathetic root, and this is ciliary ganglion, and these are short ciliary nerves. So, ciliary ganglion conveys these fibers as short ciliary nerves. Now, the short ciliary nerves are 8 to 12 in number. Short ciliary nerves contain sympathetic, parasympathetic, and sensory fibers, and these fibers carry to corresponding targets. Okay, now we will discuss about this parasympathetic root. See, the parasympathetic root starts at Edinger vestibule nucleus and is carried by third nerve, the oculomotor nerve, and which passes through lateral wall of cavernous sinus and divided into two branches: superior root of oculomotor nerve and inferior root of oculomotor nerve. And the superior root of oculomotor nerve supplies levator palpebrae superioris, superior rectus muscle, and inferior root of oculomotor nerve supplies medial rectus muscle, inferior rectus muscle, and inferior oblique, also known as nerve to inferior oblique. Now, see, parasympathetic fibers are carried to ciliary ganglion by nerve to inferior oblique. So, now the nerve to inferior oblique relays in the ciliary ganglion, and it passes through the short ciliary nerves and supplies ciliary muscles and sphincter pupillae. Now, we'll just have a the summary of it. See, parasympathetic fibers starts at Edinger vestibule nucleus, oculomotor nerve, inferior root of oculomotor nerve, nerve to inferior oblique, ciliary ganglion, short ciliary nerve, and ciliary muscles and sphincter pupillae. And one important point you have to remember is only parasympathetic roots relay inside the ciliary ganglion. Other sympathetic and sensory they just pass through ciliary ganglion, but they never release in it. Like, see, here it is getting relayed, but sympathetic and sensory fibers never relay in it. They just pass through it. And sympathetic fibers, see, they originate at internal carotid plexus and does not relay in the ciliary ganglion, passes along the short ciliary nerves, supply the blood vessels of eyeball. That's it. And sensory root arises from the nasociliary nerve, passes through the ciliary ganglion and short ciliary nerves and eyeball. Thank you.